going to go through a kind of like a height measurement. So we're going to assume the first one is the tallest. Then what we're going to do is we're going to iterate through the list, through the array. And what we want to do while we're iterating is we're going to say, let's just do A. We're going to compare our current tallest to the current element. Okay, so we're going to compare our current tallest, which is the first guy, to the current element. So the first element, which is 5 compared to 5, it's still the same, so it doesn't change. Then I'm going to compare the 5 to the 3. And we'll go through this cycle by cycle, but just know we're going to do a comparison. And what happens if the current, what's called the current element, if the current element beats our tallest, then update tallest. So we have a new challenger, right? Or a new top dog, so to speak, right? So that's what happens. But if he doesn't beat him, if the challenger doesn't beat him, then we stay the same. We keep the champion. Otherwise, we keep friction. Right, so that's pretty much it.